Hello SwiftUI enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we're delving into the dynamic duo of SwiftUI lists and navigation. If you've ever wondered how to create interactive lists and seamlessly navigate between views, you're in for a treat. In SwiftUI, lists are a powerful way to display dynamic content. They're not just simple arrays of data, they can be interactive and incredibly flexible. In this SwiftUI code, we're utilizing the navigation stack to manage navigation. The list contains three navigation link elements: home, search, and more. Each link is associated with a value. The navigation destination function determines the destination based on the selected link's value. And there you have it, lists and navigation in SwiftUI. We've covered the basics of creating lists and seamlessly navigating between views. Whether you're building a simple to-do app or a sophisticated project, SwiftUI's approach to lists and navigation will streamline your development process.